Hi everyone, I am showcasing a project called Stopwatch. So I built this project using three technologies, front-end technologies called HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this project I am implementing three main functionalities. One is for start timer, stop timer and reset button. So when I click on start timer, the time will get started, and when I click on stop button, the time will be stop, and when we click reset button, the time will be resetted. So I will show you by demo. So when I click the start button, so this timer will start and it will count from the seconds, and when I stop, it will stop this timer, and when I again start, so it will start from the seconds previously when we stopped. So then again I will stop at 11 seconds. So now I will reset this timer by on clicking reset button, so timer will be resetted. So this is the function of this project, how this timer will be work. So basically in this project I use three main divs. One is header, one div for the header part, one div for the main content, and one div for the uh, footer. So I will show you that implementation in a code, in a VS Code. So this is the HTML code for this stopwatch project. In the header section I defined the font family, in which fonts I am using in this project, and I link the style sheet CSS file also here. In this body tag I am using mainly three contents, divs. We can say one div for the header, and one div for the main container, and one div for the footer. So I am declaring the header first and in the div, and next I am declaring the container. In there I am declaring one timer display as well as the buttons. And the last div I am displaying the footer part, where I am displaying the copyright options here. And also I am linking this our JavaScript file, also this file, index file. So this is the code for the index.html, and I am styling this code using CSS in the css.css file. So here I use this is styling for each tag, for header, footer, container, timer display, buttons for hovering the buttons, and that hovering changing the color of that button, footer as well. And in the JavaScript file I am implementing the three main functionalities called, one is start button function, and second one is stop button function, and reset button function.